Now, let's talk about how to create parallel lines. So here is the function. Hey, student, please create a parallel line to that equation. So all I have to do is write down exactly the same slope and then write whatever I wish to write down, such as plus. Don't write down 4. You write down 4, you are creating exactly the same equation. You want to create a different equation. So don't write down 4, write down plus 5. So they are parallel lines. How about here? Y equals 5x minus. I'm going to make my teacher crazy. So I'm going to write down the answer is 5x minus 1,0,0,0,0.3235. It doesn't matter what you write down here. As long as the slopes are the same, these two are parallel lines. So you just created another parallel line. Over here, y equals, you got to have the same slope, right? X, and then, I don't know, minus 2. That's how you create another parallel line. All right, that's it for today's lesson. Let's go ahead and practice.